All right, so we're working on porting this engine to Google App Engine, and this path right now dumps out the contents of atomic ivmmo.js. So let's look at the changes. In the top level helper functions within the string replace all section, this function that takes the body string, the find string, and the replace string and does a find and replace all, we've done a little bit of refactoring to it. This functionality is only in the newer versions of Node.js. So if this is not a function here, if it's not a function, then we have to use this polyfill right here. So first we tried a regex, which didn't quite work for us. So now we're using a tried and true split join method for our replace all. Inside the ice cream section, inside the ice cream machine section, within the A server functions, we have done a little bit of refactoring as well. This variable can get via the file system. It's always true, but we toggled it off for a little bit with the Yes Google environment just to see that everything was working properly. It's turned on because now I realize I was the idiot. We can actually get access to atomic ivmmo.js via the file system, even if it is a Google App Engine environment. So right here, if we cannot get access via the file system, we're just going to use this placeholder as the contents of the file and use the acceptor function with the contents of the file. Otherwise, if we can use the file system, then we do all this code that we were doing before. So this is the workhorse function for this function right here, the getSelfAim, where this is the executor function for that. So here's what we did previously, and here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. We got to get out of here. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You have been here. Source code is here. Email me here. You've been on video 356. Like, subscribe, send money.